Spain is planning to impose a tax of up to 100% on the value of properties brought by non-residents from the country outside the European Union, such as the United Kingdom. Announcing the move, Prime Minister Pedro Sanchez said in the unprecedented measure was necessary to meet the country's housing emergency. The West faces a decisive challenge to not become a society divided into two classes, the rich landlords and the poor tenants, he said. Non-EU resident bought 27,000 properties in Spain in 2023, he told an economic forum in Madrid. Not to live in, but to make money for them, which in the context of shortage that we are in obviously cannot allow, he added. The move was designed to prioritize available home from residents, the Spanish Prime Minister said. Sanchez did not provide any more details on how the tax would work, nor a timeline for presenting it to the Parliament for approval, where he has often struggled to gather sufficient votes to pass legislation. His office described the proposed measure as a way to limit the purchase of homes by non-resident, non-EU foreigners. It added the tax burden that they will have to pay in case of purchase will be increased to up to 100% of the value of the property, in line with countries such as Denmark and Canada. The Spanish government said the proposal would be finalized after careful study. Michael Hayes from the Manchester, who spent the weekend house hunting southern of Alicante, had wanted a property for family to visit and spend time during their retirement. We could look at properties quickly before the tax comes in, but we don't know what could happen in the future, she said. Selling could be tough if we can no longer sell to non-residents. Especially a holiday home property in a touristy area finds it difficult to be sold off. The 59-year-old said she empathized with their housing issue, but said she wanted to add the local economy and asked how many working Spanish people want to live in holiday homes in these tourist areas anyway. Martin Craven from London said he has been looking to buy in Spain this year. I definitely wouldn't consider trying to get it before the tax, because who knows what else could do, a retrospective tax or a tax on existing owners, the 62-year-old said. I'll be looking at Cyprus now instead, Julian Hunt, 54-year-old, said Spain was and his first choice to buy a holiday home, but now it's look more risky than other countries.